Hi guys, today I'm going to present you 3 tips for improving your iPhone's battery health. We'll start by exploring an iPhone's comfort zone, then we will proceed by investigating the deep discharge events, and then finally we will analyze what could happen to your device if you will fully charge it. So let's go ahead to the first tip. So according to Apple's guidelines, an iPhone's comfort zone is between 62 and 72 Fahrenheit degrees. And it is important to keep your device to ambient temperature that are not higher than 95 Fahrenheit degrees, because otherwise this could permanently damage your battery's capacity. So, if you will expose your device to cold temperatures, then you could experience a reduction of the battery lifespan, but do not worry, because this is just a temporary condition. As soon as you will get back your device in an idle environment, this phenomenon will disappear and the iPhone's performance will return to its normal as well. Now let's talk about the deep discharge event. So consider a scenario in which you fully exhaust your iPhone's battery. Then this could cause the battery's voltage to go below a certain threshold, and if this happens, then the deep discharge phenomena occurs. And this event could permanently damage your battery lifespan. So the solution is to charge your phone when its battery life is greater or equal than the 20%. Finally, let's talk about fully charging your battery. So if you fully charge your iPhone's battery, you could permanently damage the battery's capacity as well. So in this case, you have two options. So in this case, you can see from the device, you can either choose the first option to optimally charge your battery. So this means that the device will learn from your habits how to charge the battery. So it will speed up the charging till 80%, and the remaining 20% will be charged just before you will start using your device again. Or you could select the second option, that is the ideal one, which allows the device to charge up to 80% of its battery life. With that being said, this is the so-called 80-20% rule. So to summarize, you should charge your iPhone when its battery life is greater or equal than 20% and up to a maximum of 80%. So thank you for watching my videos and see you in the next one.